that woman that feels like you are working constantly and consistently every month as a mom, and somehow at the end of the month, your finances are not just where you expect them to be? Sis, what if I told you that you could start earning from home using the skills, the experiences, the knowledge that you already have? I mean, you can start even today, as in right now. Sis, don't scroll past this video yet, because I'm about to show you how you can start small, stay consistent, and build something real, online and offline. Hello, amazing woman. It is your financial advocate, and this is Savvy Moms Finance, where we help women like you grow financially, build independence, and turn knowledge into income. My name is Peace. I am here as your financial advocate, and I share proven and practical ways for women and mothers to make money and bloom into confident, financially empowered women. So sis, before we dive in, ensure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and turn on notifications, because every week I share new tips and strategies that will literally change how you think about money as a woman. You know, before now, I used to think that financial freedom is for only people who have 9 to 5 jobs. Those people that sit in fanciful offices that have these very big and massive ideas. But then something happened. I became a mom, and I realized that mothers are some, if not the most hardworking people on earth. And the question is, as a woman, as a mother, is this hard work reflecting in our bank accounts? I know you know the answer to that question, right? I am telling you, most of us struggle to see that hard work reflecting in our bank accounts. And that was when it clicked for me. The problem isn't that we don't have opportunities. Every mom I know all over the world have something. It could be a skill, some knowledge, your daily routine that can help someone else. And that is exactly where income starts. So sis, let's talk about real practical ways you can start earning from home. And believe me when I tell you that these are not just theories. They are things you can start doing right now, wherever you are. Even if you are a 9 to 5 mother, you can start doing them as in right now. And if you know me very well, you already know my favorite, isn't it? Let's start with my favorites, digital products. These are items you create once and sell them over and over and over again. It could be ebooks, planners, checklists, or even budget templates. For instance, imagine creating a weekly meal planner for busy moms. You know you can design it in Canva, right? By the way, if you don't know how to use Canva, you need me to make a video, a tutorial teaching you how to use Canva. Let me know in the comments. You could design it in Canva in just a few minutes. You could sell it online for like 1,000 naira, 50 Qatar riyals, 100 Qatar riyals, 2,000 naira, or even more, depending on the currency of your place of residence. And you know the interesting part? That income keeps coming in, even while you are cooking, doing your school runs, sleeping, living your private life. You are making this money. Let me give you a tip, sis. Start by writing 3 things you are good at. I mean, those things that people often ask your advice on. That's your first clue for a product idea, sis. Maybe you are here and you are saying, financial advocate, I'm not a good designer. I'm not good with graphics. Not to worry. You don't have to. You shouldn't be. Let's talk about another route that is as powerful also. I'm talking about freelancing and online services. Freelancing simply means using your skills to help people online and getting paid for it. That's it. It could be writing, social media management, virtual assistance, or even helping small businesses to stay organized. You can start with websites like Upwork. It's a very good starting point. But even WhatsApp and Instagram works perfectly well when you start with people you already know. You could offer to help them do a few small gigs and start up from there. There is something you should remember, sis. Done is better than being perfect. Now, the next one I'm about to mention is also close to my heart. You know, we love community, right? Yes, this one, our community meets with income. I'm talking about coaching and WhatsApp community. I know that when some of us hear coaching, it will be like, I should be a guru, an expert. Who said that? Coaching doesn't necessarily mean that you should be a guru. It simply means you sharing what you know and using it to help others. Sis, You can start a WhatsApp group or community. Like me, I have a brand and a WhatsApp community where I teach women how to turn their ideas into income. In your WhatsApp community, you can offer value, host mini classes, or even sell small digital products. If you ask me, I think it's a beautiful way to earn and impact lives at the same time. And maybe you are not ready for coaching or teaching yet. Sis, you can also earn while learning. I'm talking about affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote products that you love. I mean, products that you have used. It could be books, tools, or even courses. You get paid a commission when someone buys through your link. You don't have to create anything. Just be honest. Recommend what genuinely helps people. It's an easy way to start building income streams while sharing values, isn't it? Finally, let's talk about one of the most underestimated but powerful tools: content creation and social media. Who said content creation is only for influencers? It's not. It's also for every woman who has something to say. You can share your experiences, tips, routines, or even your story. We have platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or even your WhatsApp status. People often connect with realness when you show as your authentic self. Opportunities follows. You could get sponsorships, collaborations, sales, and anything you can think of. But sincerely sis, none of all these things I have mentioned works if you have the wrong mindset. Many times, what holds us back is not the lack of opportunities. It's the lack of belief. We tell ourselves, I don't have enough time. I don't have what it takes. You have experiences, right? You've built resilience and wisdom qualities that cannot be taught. So sis, from me to you today, start right from where you are. Take one small action this week. Go ahead, create that product, research freelancing, or join a supportive community. I'm so sure that your future self will thank you later. So sis, if you are ready to start your journey towards financial freedom, you're welcome. I invite you to join my WhatsApp community, Bloom and Become with Peace. You'll find the link in the description of this video. That is where we go deeper. We share tips and strategies that will help you grow financially and become the very best version of yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Savvy Moms Finance, if you're not subscribed already, because this is just the beginning. And also remember to share this video with a sister, a wife, a mother that needs to see it. Let's keep blooming, learning, and becoming together. Catch ya!